I'm very pleased to be sharing with you how to write Tibetan, how to write the Tibetan Uchen script. This is a great opportunity to learn the art of calligraphy, the art of forming the letters correctly based on these divine proportions. I'm a great ambassador of the pen. In this digital day and age, where everything is so kind of easy and accessible, but yet lacking in spirit, to handwrite is something really quite special. So writing, learning to write again, really puts us in touch with the earth. It puts us in touch with the heaven and the earth. It's connecting these two together. And it's a great joy and it's a great practice in itself, learning to write, keeping this tradition alive. The actual action of writing can be considered a practice in itself. It is a meditation to be done clearly and properly. One needs to meditate, one should meditate beforehand just to clear the mind, to calm the mind, so you have this clarity and this more ease and flow. But it's also a meritorious act to write mantras, to write sutras for their preservation. And here, of course, we're also preserving a whole language in itself, all the different writing styles. There's something that sings through, it's something that shines through, and anybody who sees this, even if they don't know how to write, they don't understand the language even, but they see the spirit of this letter shining through. There's the Dharma Dhatu shining through. So the benefit from learning properly in such a way is that, like a golden key, learning to read, learning to write the Tibetan language is accessing into this great wealth of Dharma. Not only that, the actual practice of the mantras, the visualizations within this Mahayana and Vajrayana practices. It's very useful to know how to visualize clearly and properly, and by writing, by learning to write these things is a really good way to well this onto one's own subconscious, to have that clarity of mind, the clarity of visualization. So what you will get from this course by learning properly is a really good foundation in writing. The way I instruct is perhaps a little disciplined, based on a rigorous discipline, but it's through doing that gives you a very firm foundation that we can work up from. And once we've learned that properly, then there's more freedom of expression through the calligraphy. I really sincerely hope from learning from these lessons that you would take away something, you will learn something and enjoy the process of writing as much as I have enjoyed it. Really not only giving me discipline, but also giving me this freedom and enjoyment from the letter forms and knowing what they symbolize and what they mean.